welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 17. The inability of the eye to focus near objects is known as A. Long sight, B. Astigmatism, C. Presbyopia, D. Glaucoma, and E. Short sight. Now, the inability of the eye to focus near objects simply means that it is unable, that is, the eye is unable to view close or nearby objects. In this case, the person is only able to view what? To view far objects. Only far objects will focus on the retina. Objects that are close to the viewer cannot be focused on the retina. And remember, the retina is where the image is formed. Now, in this condition, we call this condition long-sightedness. This condition is referred to as long-sightedness. Now, in this condition, the eyeball is shorter than normal. The eyeball is shorter than normal, and so close by objects will not be able to what? To focus on the retina. And that name for long-sightedness is what we call the hypermetropia. It is also known as hypermetropia. So, and that name for long-sightedness is hypermetropia. So the object is unable to focus on the retina. Only far objects can be viewed, but nearby objects cannot be viewed, and this is corrected using the convex lens. The convex lens or the converging lens is used to correct what? Long-sightedness. So the answer to this question is option A. Now let's briefly look at the other options. Astigmatism here is a condition which we refer to as uneven curvature of the lens, uneven curvature of the cornea or lens. So it leads to what? Blur image, uneven curvature of lens or cornea. Now presbyopia here simply refers to the loss of power of accommodation. Now this presbyopia is common to old people, because they are unable now to focus on either near object or far object because they've lost the power of accommodation. Now the eye muscles, that is the rectal muscles, are weak, and so the power of accommodation is lost. It's common to old age. Then glaucoma in this case just simply refers to cloudy vision. Now this cloudy vision is due to the deposition of minerals in the eyes like proteins, and these proteins will cause cloudy vision of the eyes. Then short-sightedness is the opposite of long-sightedness. In short-sightedness, nearby objects can be seen clearly, but far objects cannot be seen. And in short-sightedness, the cause is that the eyeball is longer than normal, so the image is formed before the retina. But as in the case of long-sightedness, the image is formed after the retina. So short-sightedness cannot be what? Far objects cannot be seen, but nearby objects can be seen. And another name for short-sightedness is myopia. We call it myopia, and it's corrected using the concave lens, or what we call the divergent lens. So for our question, the answer is long-sightedness, option A. Thank you, and ensure subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.